Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Kasa app to connect smart power strip and schedules. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, unlock your smartphone and open the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Kasa Smart. Locate the Kasa Smart app in the search result. Tap on the app to open its details page. Now, select the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Kasa app. Next, you will see a welcome screen. Tap Sign Up if you are a new user. If you already have an account, simply tap Login. Follow the prompts to create your account by entering your email and creating a password. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main screen of the app. To connect your smart power strip, tap the plus icon or Add Device option. Choose Smart Power Strip from the list of devices. Make sure your power strip is plugged in and powered on. The app will guide you to ensure your smartphone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password if prompted. Once connected, the app will search for your smart power strip. When it appears in the app, tap on it to link the device. After successfully connecting, you can rename your smart power strip for easier identification. To set up schedules, tap on the device in the app. Locate the schedule option and select it. Tap that schedule to create a new schedule for your power strip. Choose the days and times you want the power strip to turn on or off. Once you've set your preferences, save the schedule. You're all set. Your Kasa app is now ready to control your smart power strip and manage your schedules efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.